discuss some changes. Alright, so we're going to talk about some changes that have been happening recently. Not only that, but we actually put an angle kit on the 240. And there's a lot of things that have been getting done recently. So as of right now, we currently have a full body kit for the 240, full angle kit, and we're waiting on a new rack and pinion so that we can actually hit the street again. I got this actually like last season at Formula D, and I still haven't installed it. So yeah, it's a year old, but we're gonna get to it. So this is my S14 glove compartment. Took it to Formula D, had all the pro drivers sign it. I think it's pretty cool. It's been a little dirty, so I'm gonna clean it out. Most of the signatures right here, and we're gonna clear coat it and install it. So yeah, it's time to do some aesthetics instead of doing all this other wrenching today. So main update that's been happening. Asshole. We cut the radiator support in order to fit the bigger radiator in, and I'm actually gonna be relocating it slightly forward. So that's where the gap is here. We also cut the front bumper support to give some more airflow towards the intercooler. We went with a MAF sensor for the turbo, so we're no longer running a MAF, which is awesome. And if you saw one of the old videos, you probably saw that I had like this really ugly handmade like a turbo protection thing. Anyway, we just threw the K&N filter on, called it a day. Relocated the power steering reservoir, and also added a really ugly power steering cooler. Well, that's only temporary. So as far as that's what's been going on with the 240. Let me lift it up for you guys. So as you can see here, we have a nice one-piece lower control arm. Anyway, yeah, we got this whole entire angle kit from GK Tech. Helped me out a lot. Had a few issues in the beginning where I ordered some wrong parts and it didn't go so well. But we got that taken care of, and now everything's looking good. The only thing we're waiting on right now is our rack and pinion. Once that goes in, we'll be done and hitting the streets. Actually, not true. Once the rack and pinion's in, the angle kit will be completely installed, and then onto a performance alignment. Then we will be hitting the streets again. Sucks, it's been a while, but she's getting there. So these are the new wheels. They're 18 by 10, I believe. I don't remember exactly what the offset is, but pretty decent offset. If you're asking me, I like them. I think they look baller as fuck. And super stoked to have a nice set of wheels on here. Probably gonna end up polishing and cleaning up my exhaust. It's all fucked up now. I feel bad for this thing. It's been abused for so much. But I mean, I love it. It sounds great. Been doing great. Probably gonna end up needing it angled for the rear bumper on the new body kit, or the new bumper that I'm putting on. But we don't really have to worry about any of that until about a week or so from now. So, yep. Boop. So back to the glove compartment. Just basically wiped it down real quick, make sure it's all clean. I'm gonna be clear coating it right now, so I want to make sure there's not like sealing any extra debris and fucking just dirt for the most part. I'm only gonna do the front right now, and then I'll do the rest of the inside later. Fucking inside's super dirty, but I mean, hey, it's been sitting in like fucking storage for I don't know how long. Oh yeah, I do, about a season or so. All right, I think that's pretty good for now. And I'm probably gonna do a test coat on something else real quick. What can I test? Hold on. Right here. Hopefully it ends up too nice. Oh, that looks horrible. I don't want to fuck this up. This is gonna be really shitty if I fuck this up. Yeah, actually, I think it's gonna come out pretty good.
I don't think there's enough clear coat on there yet.
It's not. I'm doing by layers. By layers, bitch. So just leaving it up here so it can dry in peace without getting all these particles on it. which it probably still will because I mean this is a fucking garage. You know what I mean? But yeah, in the meantime, we're gonna go check out this dope ass freaking Skyline over here. So yeah, this thing's super dope. Got the Momo steering wheel, old school Nismo horn, which is pretty dope. Momo hub. You know, it's just it's pretty nice. Totally see myself in R32 soon. I'm a 240 guy, you know what I mean? Bag. So I like my 240s, they're lighter. You know, other than that, I think that's it. They're just lighter. But I like my 240s. I'm a 240 guy, not a Skyline guy. But I wouldn't mind having one just for, you know, daily driver, something like that. There you have it. Probably going to be doing the fuel pump, the fuel rail next week. Maybe this week, who knows. Put the new injectors and get shit done.